Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I will be guiding you through a new How To Thursdays video featuring V-ups, a nice core exercise that will get you your core strength and six-pack you've been wanting. Let's go ahead and get down to the ground into our starting position. Sit on your bums, lie on your backs, arms are extended on your sides, and your legs are extended. First up, we're going to engage our core, pick those legs up, get those arms off the ground. And what we're looking for is an engagement of the core to get our upper body to our knees as we bring our knees to our chest. Let me give you an example. What you want to do is bring yourself up. This is the top of the V-up. Before you release yourself, back down. And repeat. Let's try that a couple times. See how these guys flow together. And the key here, don't strain your neck. We're looking for a nice core engagement. Upper abdomen, lower abdomen. And once you've found your form, you can speed it up. I like to exhale as I come up and inhale as I come down. And that is how you perform V-ups. It's a rather simple move, but I hope you learned something new and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.